Hi there. My name is Cornelius and I'm an intern here at Kuraray. I joined on the 1st of July for a little over 2 months to support Kuraray's 3D printing initiative.
Kuraray has a range of proprietary materials, including polymers such as elastomers, resins and rubbers, as well as a selection of industrial fibers and nonwovens. Every one of these materials has its unique production process to yield the best properties for its application. However, with the professional adoption of 3D printing, the production process could look very different. My job is to support the testing and optimization of our materials for 3D printing purposes. Together with my supervisors, we also seek to create industrial links to expand our 3D printing applications. My supervisors also give me direct feedback and suggestions on my work. Moritz, printing with PVB gave a very smooth finish.
Fantastic.
To keep everyone updated, including our colleagues abroad, we hold regular workshops, telephone conferences, and upload all our research and findings to our online platform. I personally have had the privilege of giving and organizing several presentations on my progress to a diverse group of sales representatives, marketing people, business unit leaders, and other researchers here at Kuraray. So aside from gaining valuable practical experience, I also managed to improve my communication skills. Beyond that, I've been on 3 customer visits, which really put me in touch with the 3D printing industry firsthand. I grasped a better understanding of how the business works and learned of current market demands and opportunities for 3D printing and for Kuraray. Carrying out such interdisciplinary work, both from scientific and social aspects, has given me confidence in both business, chemistry, physics, and even electronics, which are skills that I'm definitely going to take back to university and on my future career. Here, for example, is a CAD design I'm working on with a colleague from the elastomer division. As you can hear, I've been quite busy at Kuraray this summer, and it's been absolutely amazing every second of it. From the beginning, I've played an integral part in the 3D printing initiative, and the work culture that's at the very core of everything that happens at Kuraray has made my experience ever more impactful and memorable. Well, with that being said, I need to get back to university. So once again, thanks Kuraray.